Okay, class, our assignment of today involves working with images and text boxes. So for today, you will be creating a family tree. So open a blank document in Word, go to Design, change the color of the background to black. Then you will bring in a picture of a tree. Once the image of the tree appears on your document, double click it, come to color, change it to white. Once that is selected and turned into white, then I want you to come to Insert, go to Text Box, Simple Text Box. So here, remember, click on the text box. This rainbow layout options opens here. Click on it. Click on Fix Position on Page. Now you can move it wherever you want. Bring it down to the center there where the heart is. Delete this, and I want you to put your last name, your family last name. So mine is Salcedo. So you highlight your text, and I want you to change it to a different color. So change that to a different color that stands out, because that is the center focus point. So I'm going to put mine red. I'm going to change the font to Adobe Gothic. Make it bigger, make the font bigger to at least 18. 20 is good. Then with your text box selected, come up here, Shape Fill, change that to black. Shape Outline, put no outline. You don't need an outline. Once that is done, shrink your text box by grabbing here the handles and shrinking it down to where it fits right with your last name, and then try to center it here in the heart. Okay, so there it is, my last name. So look at this, guys. If I click on the text box and it's too big, you see how it cuts off the corners here, and you can see it in the heart? So I don't want to see that on your assignment. So I want you to take your text box and make it smaller and move it around a little bit to where it doesn't show that there was a text box there. Okay? So once that is created, that is your last name. So you're going to go Insert text box again. And you're going to repeat these same steps with all the names that you list. So for example, I'm going to list my family. So I'm going to put myself at the top. Again, you highlight your text, make it bigger, change the font. I'm going to put myself with this blue here, that blue. Choose a color. Again, guys, it's going to stand out. With your text box selected, come up to Shape Fill, change the fill to black. Again, no outline. And then again, guys, make sure you shrink your box, your text box. Shrink it to where it doesn't look big and it doesn't make your image look bad. Again, place the name up here on the top where the text box kind of blends in. There you go. So again, list your family members, your mom, your dad, your sisters, your brothers, yourself. If you want to list a pet, go ahead. And that's what I'm going to do next. And follow the same steps. Insert text box. I'm going to place this one off here to the side. Highlight your word. Make it bigger. up to shape fill, change it to black, shrink my text box, put it off here on the side. So for example, guys, I don't want to see this, that y'all shrunk it so much that the letter disappears. Okay, so just work with that, adjust that to size. So you'll be repeating the same steps for a few times over and over. By the end of this exercise, you should be very comfortable with working with text boxes. That is my daughter's name, Ada. And again, guys, try to find a spot where it kind of looks like it's blended in. There we go. So there you go, guys. You see I have my name, my wife's name, my daughter's name, my son's name, our last name. And up here on the top, just put my family. And choose a nice font to go with that. And there you have it, guys. This is my family tree. This is my small family. Myself, my wife, my daughter, my son, our last name, a tree, mi familia. Okay, guys, so this is our assignment for today. Go ahead and get started.